Remove the filter to clean the dust cup of debris. Rinse the dust cup and filter with water. You can rinse the dust cup and filter with water. After rinsing, the filter can be placed back into the dust cup at any angle. Align the dust cup and tighten the dust cup. The newer machines have more friction and require force to unscrew the dust cup. Screwing hard won't damage it. Align the brush head with one end of the vacuum cleaner and insert it into it to install it. Assemble the parts, push the vacuum cleaner switch and you are ready to use. The brush head on the long nozzle is collapsible. Sweep small crumbs with the nozzle's brush. Then fold up the brush head and vacuum up the crumbs. Dust brush can be used to clean dust debris from small crevices and to sweep dust from filters. The short bristles can be used to clean up larger debris. You can change the brush head to suit your needs. Turn the dust cup with a little force and remove the filter to clean it. You can rinse the dust cup and filter with water. After rinsing, the filter must be completely dry before it can be assembled and used. The filter can be placed back into the dust cup at any angle. Find the right angle and turn the dust cup to assemble the vacuum cleaner. Newer machines have more friction and require force to unscrew the dust cup. Screwing hard won't damage it.